Welcome back, continuing the news. There's to be another comprehensive report on the incident in which a municipal police officer was captured on video destroying a vendor's cart and goods in Linstead Market earlier this week. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie dismissed the initial report as unsatisfactory. Giovanni Dennis has this primetime news follow-up.
The embarrassment from this destruction will not leave the municipal police for some time. But the government appears intent on properly repairing the damage done. A comprehensive report about the incident has been ordered after an initial report from Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott was rejected by the local government minister.
I went in this morning, got a report, but I must say, Prime Minister, what I got is not a report. And I've sent it back and I've asked him to give me a comprehensive report on what took place in Linstead.
He reiterated the action does not represent any policy of the administration.
I want to make it abundantly clear that what we saw in Linstead is in no way a part of any policy of this government of Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
In the meantime, Mr. McKenzie sought to remind officers within local government that they must be flexible as their duty is to serve.
We are working for the people. We are servants of the people. And we must demonstrate that capacity to ensure that we serve the people, whether wrongly or rightly. It is our responsibility as an agency of government that deals with local issues. We must be flexible when it comes on to serve the people.
Mr. McKenzie was speaking at the opening of a bridge in Stony Hill on Thursday. TVJ News understands that the Spanish Town Mayor met with the vendors in Linstead Market yesterday. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.